Hi, I'm Michael Wells.
And I'm Tim Crawford. It is our pleasure to introduce you to 24B Lakings Road. Located amidst substantial, well-established homes in a prestigious corner of Springlands, this modern townhouse provides a sunny, low-maintenance option for anyone looking for security, comfort, style and convenience. Conceptualised by Arthouse and carefully crafted by Hamish Ryan Construction, combining classic proportions and clever use of space, the home is both practical and elegant.
Eurotray profiled steel and concrete block create clean lines and an appealing first impression. Open plan living features American oak flooring and includes a well-appointed kitchen with butler's pantry, dining space and sitting room opening through sliding doors to outdoor living, where a louvred roof, roll-up walls and an outside heater extend use throughout the year.
A spacious master bedroom and ensuite downstairs is complemented by a guest lavatory. 2 more bedrooms and a large family bathroom are upstairs. There is plenty of storage throughout the house and an oversized single garage with workshop area. The gardens have been thoughtfully designed and beautifully maintained, providing attractive surroundings, privacy and security, as well as production. Gas bottles and other utilities are easily accessed but discreetly screened.
Supermarkets, pharmacies, service stations, bars, restaurants and schools are all within easy walking distance. This is a great option for retirees or anyone looking for an attractive, secure and convenient lock and leave home in New Zealand's sunniest region.